Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing great. Today we'll be watching a very exciting episode. We will create a casino with one game, a coin flip. The users will be able to flip a coin and they can win or lose with 50% of chance. And if they lose, the casino will have the money, and if they win, they will have 190% of what they have bet. For example, if they bet 1 Ether, they will have 1.9 Ether. So of course the casino will have a 10% win, and if they lose, the casino will have the whole Ether of that. So let's begin. We will have our classic pragma Solidity carrot 0.4.0, and we will create our contract coin flip. This coin flip contract will have an owner, classic owner, and of course it will have our classic modifier. I will copy it because we have seen this multiple times. This modifier that only owner can make some changes. We will also have an unsigned integer called pay percentage to being able to pay the 190%. That's why it's 90. We will sum up with the 100 in later on. And we will have an event to print to the console all the events that will occur. This will have a string with a message. This will also have an address that will be a user, and this will also have an amount that will be an unsigned integer of the amount of money that has been moved with the event. So we will start creating the constructor function coin flip. Of course, this constructor should be payable because it will be initialized with money. If this contract was initialized without money and the first user that plays wins, he will not have balance to win. So we need to make money. Of course, we need to assign the owner to message.sender. And here we have our coin flip. And now the interesting part, the function to flip a coin. Function flip coin. This function, of course, should be payable because they will make their bet. It will have a random number, and based on that random number, they will win or lose. Solidity doesn't have random numbers built in the compiler, so we will use the timestamp. Every block is mined at a specific time with seconds and all that. And if we will base our win or lose depending on if it's odd or even. That's why we'll use if, and we will have our block.timestamp mod2. This will just make will give us zeros or 1, and if it's equal to 1 or to 0, I prefer 0, we will win. But if we won, otherwise let's make the lose and then we will see the winner. If we won, if we lose, we will just have a status, and we will write, we are sorry you lose, try again to make some money. We need to send the message.sender as the address and the message.value as the amount of money that the user lose. But okay, now if we win, there are two options. They can just win the 190% of what they have bet, or maybe the contract doesn't have enough funds to pay all that, so we need to check that, and if that's the case, we just need to transfer the whole balance of the contract. So if this dot balance, remember that's the amount of money that the contract has, is less than message dot value times pay percentage divided by 100, that's 190%. So if it doesn't have enough money to pay it, we will have a status. This status will see, congratulations, you won. Sorry, we didn't have enough money. We are transferring you all our balance. And the message.sender as the address and the amount, this dot balance as the amount of money they are transferring. And then we need to transfer the money. So we will have the simple message.sender, that's the address of the person that have flipped the coin, and we will transfer how much? This dot balance, all the remaining balance. And in the other case, if we have enough money to pay him, we will have a status, of course, congratulations, you won, and the payment. I will just copy it because it's almost the same. We'll have a message.sender transfer message value times 100 plus 90 divided 100. That's 190% of the value of the guy, of the person. And we will have an status. I will print it at the top for more order. And that's it. Of course, we need to have a kill function because I will copy it. We have seen this multiple times. That way the contract will be killed, no longer will be available to use. And the creator of the casino or the smart contract will be able to have the money back. And we could add another function for him to be withdrawing funds or maybe deposit funds if he's watching that the contract is small of funds. But that's very simple to make, so we will not make it right now. And that's the contract. We have owner, pay percentage, status, coin flip, the function that flip a coin, that transfer the money if we win, and otherwise it takes the money and just print a message. The only owner is for the kill, only owner, and that's it. Now we will proceed to test it. So let's test our code. First, we are here on the Ethereum wallet. I will show you a little trick. You need to go to develop, network, and play with the solo network. That way it will be much faster. And you can also go to develop, start mining, and you will start mining. And let's see, look how much Ether I am doing every time. So the blocks are done much faster. We will go to the contracts, deploy a new contract, and we need to copy our code. And we will paste it right here. We need to make this with our main account, and we need to deposit our first Ether, send 100. Coin flip. My parrot is talking a little. So let's deploy the contract. Remember to put your password, and once we have our contract, we can start playing. We can go here, boom. It's already done 2 confirmations, 4 confirmations. It's much faster. So here is our coin flip contract. Let's go to flip a coin. And let's make the account 2 that has 1 Ether, so 10 Ether to flip a coin. He will bet 1 Ether. So let's see what happens. Need to put our password. We will watch our events. And we are sorry you lose, try again. You will see that the contract has more money and the account has less money. So we will go again and try it with maybe more Ether. Let's flip a coin. And this time let's try with 2 from our account 2. So execute and let's go for it. We can watch the events. I lose again. So the contract has more money. This guy, he really wants to make some money, so this time he will bet 4 Ether. Let's see what happens. Pam, para, pam, pam, pam. And congratulations, you won! Woohoo! As you can see now, he has 10.6 Ether. Woohoo! Now he's feeling lucky, so this guy will go here. He will flip another coin, but this time he will bet 10 Ether. Let's see what happens. Of course, you need your password, and once you type your password, let's see. Watch. Oh, we are sorry. Everything he won, it's now lost. So that's the casino. You don't know when you will win or not. If you like the contract, subscribe, give it a like. Please comment if you want a specific contract. Hope you like it. Bye guys.